In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a grid in Google Slides and save it as a background. This is a great way to add structure to your presentations, allowing for easy placement of text boxes, images, and other elements. Let's dive in and streamline your Google Slides design process. First, head over to Google Slides. You can easily access it by visiting the Google homepage and selecting the Slides icon, or simply typing Google Slides into your browser's search bar. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This step is essential because it allows you to create and save your presentation securely in the cloud, where you can access and edit it from any device. After logging in, navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Here you can start fresh with a blank presentation or choose from one of the pre-existing templates. For our purpose, click on the option to start with a blank presentation. This will give you a clean slate to work on, making your grid creation process smoother. Now look for the Insert option at the top of the screen, likely in the menu bar. Click on Insert, then select Image. You're given several options here, but today we're going to focus on searching the web directly from within Google Slides. By selecting Search the Web, a search bar will appear on the right side of your screen. Type the word grid into the search bar. This search will present you with a variety of grid images that you can use. Once you've found a grid image that you like, click on it to select it, then hit Insert to place it onto your slide. Once the image is on your slide, it's time to adjust it. You want to make sure that the grid image covers the entire slide. This might require resizing it by clicking on the corners of the image and dragging them outward. Make sure the grid fits well within the boundaries of the slide to maintain a clean and professional look for your background. When you're happy with the positioning and size of your grid, you have yourself a visual structure to work with on Google Slides. At this point, you can right-click on the slide and set it as a background to lock it in place, which makes it easy to add and align elements without shifting the grid. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting a grid image as a background in Google Slides. This method is simple yet effective, giving you the ability to create neat, organized presentations in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your presentation skills.